Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get BEP20 address on Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Binance app. Now go ahead over to your wallet or assets. Now, once you're in here, you can go ahead over to funding or even spot or even just here under overview. Okay. So since we need to get an address for our BEP20, maybe you'd like to transfer from another wallet. Okay. So just go ahead and tap on add funds right here. And then what we're going to do is just tap on chain deposit. Okay, so it says here deposit crypto from other exchanges or wallets to Binance. So tap on it. And then once that's done, go ahead and find the desired token. It could be USDT or BNB. Okay. For example, BNB. Let's go ahead and find BNB. Tap on it. And then here you will be able to see the network BEP20. Okay. Or the BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Now just go ahead and tap on it. And now here you have your deposit address or your BEP20 unique address. So all you got to do is just copy it and paste it to the crypto exchange where you would like to get the BNB from. Okay, and follow simple prompts. And once done, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to get BEP20 address on Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.